Hello, am I audible to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So we can continue our experiment. Okay. So, okay. So going to our practical portion, experimental part. We already discussed the theory portion here. Now go to we already understood the theory and also understood the circuit here. Okay. Now in the experimental panel, you can clearly see the name of the experiment, determination of direct axis reaction and quadrature axis reactance of synchronous machine. And as the name suggests that in here also a synchronous motor is here. Okay. If you do not see, then please tell me. You can, I think, can you see the rating of the synchronous motor? Yes or no? Hello, please tell me.
Yes, sir.
Can you see the
Yes, sir.
rating of the?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Please tell me what is the rated speed of the synchronous machine? What is the rated speed?
1500.
RPM?
1500.
1500. What is the volt? What is the voltage?
Sir, 415.
All 415 and the phase 3 phase. And okay. And also the DC voltage 220 volt. Okay. All the specification are given in the rating in the plate of the machine. Okay. And this is the synchronous machine here. This is the synchronous machine here. Okay. And this is the coupling here. Okay. This is the coupling here. And this is the DC motor. You can also see the rating of the DC motor here. Okay. I think it is clear. So, so we are giving the three-phase supply. We are giving the three-phase supply to this. One second. We are giving the three-phase supply to this synchronous machine, right? Yes or no? In the stator part, we are giving three-phase AC supply to the synchronous machine to the stator part. But in the rotor of this machine is rotating with the help of this. This is the shaft that is coupling, and with the help of this DC motor. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
I think it is clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Now, as I am already said previously, that we are giving the three-phase supply to the stator of the DC synchronous machine via auto transformer. That is the auto transformer. With the help of this auto transformer, we can vary the voltage from where to where. Please tell me. From 0 to volt. Okay. So, and in the panel here, one ammeter is there and voltmeter is there. Okay. And one RPM meter is there. This is the digital tachometer. We can also say this is the digital tachometer. It is this nothing but basically it is observe the speed of the machine, and the sensor of the digital tachometer is here. You can clearly see this is the sensor. This is the sensor of this digital tachometer. We also use the we can also use the analog tachometer. Okay, the contact type tachometer. Yes, contact type tachometer we can, but here we are using the digital tachometer, and here for the DC motor, there are two different suppliers here. Okay, as I discussed earlier, two different suppliers there. One is for DC motor, DC supply, and another is the AC supply for the stator of the synchronous three-phase synchronous machine. So this is the MCB for the DC power supply, and that is three-phase. It is the three-phase. What? This is MCB for the three-pole MCB for the three-phase supply. This is the three-phase RYP. And here is also it is the variac for the DC. We can also, मैंने पहले बोला था एक चीज, please remember that we must हम लोग जो रोटर का जो स्पीड है सिंक्रोनस मशीन के, उसको हम लोग क्या करेंगे, सिंक्रोनस स्पीड से थोड़ा कम रखेंगे, सिंक्रोनस स्पीड से थोड़ा कम रखेंगे. कैसे रखेंगे? With the help of this. This is the variac for DC. You can clearly see. Okay. So first, what we have to do, I am telling that from the beginning. Okay, telling from the beginning. First, we have to connect this. We have to connect three-phase AC supply to the three-phase variac. First, power supply is in the variac. Three-phase power supply variac में आ गया, इसमें आ गया, ठीक है? Three-phase power supply is here. You can clearly see. It is directly going to the auto transformer, and you can say it is the output of the auto transformer. So output of the auto transformer is going to the three-phase synchronous machine. So you can clearly see the output of the auto transformer. This is the output of the where is the output of the auto transformer is going to the synchronous machine. Is that okay or not? Hello, please tell me. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So okay. And in between मैंने क्या बोला था, एक फेज के साथ एमीटर कनेक्शन होगा. So in between our phase is going through the ammeter. एक कॉर्ड कहां पर गया है, एमीटर का वन टर्मिनल में, another terminal of the ammeter is going to our phase. So series में ammeter का कनेक्शन हो गया. Yes or no? Yes. And after that we just connecting a voltmeter in parallel. In parallel we just connecting a voltmeter. Parallelly कौन सा फेज के साथ सेट किए हैं, ये मैंने ये जो Y और B फेज के साथ में पैरेलली ये वोल्टमीटर का कनेक्शन कर दिया. इतना तक समझ में आ गया? मतलब इस साइड का कनेक्शन मुझे कंप्लीट हो गया. ये सर नो, इस साइड का कनेक्शन कंप्लीट हो गया. देखो ये पावर सप्लाई से लेके थ्री फेज इंडक्शन मोटर तक, थ्री फेज पावर सप्लाई टू थ्री फेज इंडक्शन मोटर सर्किट आर वी आर कंप्लीटिंग. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. Now again we are connecting the DC supply to the DC motor. Okay. So that is the supply of the DC. Okay, this is the DC supply. Because here positive and negative two terminals are there in the DC. So this DC supply is going to the DC shunt motor. You can clearly see DC shunt motor. And it is coupling. Here it is coupling. Like physically here it is coupling. Here it is coupling. So supply of the DC supply is going to, ये DC supply के दो टर्मिनल कहां पर गया है, फील्ड में गया है. किसका फील्ड में गया है? DC शंट मोटर का फील्ड में गया है. Is that clear? Is that clear or not? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
DC पावर सप्लाई, ये पावर सप्लाई DC पावर सप्लाई है. ये DC पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव DC, ये दोनों टर्मिनल कहां पर गया है? DC मोटर का फील्ड में गया है. एंड DC मोटर का फील्ड एंड आर्मेचर शॉर्ट है. DC मोटर का फील्ड एंड आर्मेचर ये दोनों शॉर्ट, ये short है from top and bottom also it is short. We can short. We are shorting here. So this is the circuit. This circuit we are designing in this given experimental panel. Is that clear? Is there any doubt? Hello? Is there any doubt?
DC
In the
supply.
right,
for the
बोलो. Please tell me.
supply DC supply बताया सर, लास्ट में वो बताइए सर.
अच्छा, डीसी सप्लाई, एसी सप्लाई इतना तक समझ में आ गया है. डीसी सप्लाई कहां पर जा रहा है? मोटर का फील्ड में जा रहा है. तो डीसी सप्लाई को, ये डीसी सप्लाई है, ये डीसी सप्लाई के वेरिएक है, जिससे हम लोग डीसी सप्लाई कितना है 220 with the help of this variac, we can vary the DC voltage from 0 to 220, right? Right or wrong? Right. डीसी सप्लाई है, दो टर्मिनल लगता है पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव। ये दो टर्मिनल कहां पर गया है? देखो मैं हाथ में दिखा रहा हूं, ये दो टर्मिनल कहां पर गया है? मोटर का फील्ड में गया है। ये दोनों टर्मिनल मोटर का फील्ड में गया है, यस और नो? प्लीज टेल मी।
Yes, sir.
यस और नो क्या है? और इधर पर देखो मोटर का ये जो फील्ड है और ये आर्मेचर, ये दोनों शॉर्ट है। in the circuit also short, and in the physically we are shorting in the top portion here, F and A. You can clearly see F and A. F for field of the motor, F for armature of the motor, DC motor. We are shorting here. In the bottom also we can short the hair with the help of this wire. Okay. Till now I think it is clear. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. So first, what we have to do? Okay. So first, what we have to do? So first, what we have to do? Please tell me. हम लोग पहले क्या करेंगे? So first, हम लोग कनेक्शन को चेक करेंगे। कनेक्शन को पहले हम लोग चेक कर लिया। Make sure the connection is right. Okay. The point number 2 is set the variable DC voltage source for motor and minimum position. फर्स्ट हम लोग जितना भी वेरिएक है उसका मिनिमम पोजीशन में रखेंगे। व्हाई? दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट। रिमेंबर दिस थिंग, व्हेन वी आर deal with the auto transformer or variac, then first we have to check the auto transformer is in the minimum position. If is in not the minimum position, then voltage will be maximum maybe, and the motor and the wire of the motor is fully burned. This is a very crucial point. Always check the auto variac. Always check the auto transformer knob is in the minimum position. In the anti-clockwise it is the minimum position. I check both the variacs or auto transformer. Both are in the minimum position. Switch on the DC supply. First switch on the DC supply. First I have to switch on the DC supply. Okay. First, okay. DC supply. First DC supply को मैंने ऑन कर दिया. Okay. You can clearly see the DC supply MCB indicator is on, and also the power supply of the DC variac panel is also on. This panel is also on. Okay, supply is there. That's why it is indicating. Yellow color indication is there. मतलब इस panel में DC supply आ गया है. What we are going to after that? We just on the switch on the DC supply and minimum indicator glow. Push the start button to active the DC supply. DC supply को हम लोग active करेंगे अभी. Okay. So active the DC supply. Okay. DC supply को हम लोग active कर दिया. Okay. Increase the DC voltage and set the split slightly different from the synchronous speed. अभी हम लोग क्या करेंगे? अभी हम लोग DC मोटर को स्टार्ट करेंगे. DC मोटर को हम लोग स्टार्ट करेंगे with the help of this DC मोटर variac, and हम लोग उसको सिंक्रोनस स्पीड से थोड़ा कम रखेंगे क्योंकि ये रोटर का स्पीड है. ओके. सो ओके, लेट्स डू दैट. ओके. सो हम लोग, मैंने क्या कर रहा हूं अभी देखो, वोल्टेज करंट जीरो में है. वोल्टेज करंट एंड आरपीएम आर इन द जीरो पोजीशन. अभी मैंने क्या कर लूंगा, अभी मैं डीसी वोल्टेज विद द हेल्प ऑफ डीसी वोल्टेज in first I have to increase the DC voltage so that the motor will start and motor will rotate, and we adjust the speed. Adjust the speed how much we हम लोग का एम है बिलो स्पीड रखना. ठीक है, बिलो मतलब सिंक्रोनस स्पीड से बिलो स्पीड रखना. ओके. सो फर्स्ट slowly I increase the variac so motor will run. Motor is running. So what is the RPM now? What is the RPM?
730, 740.
740. Again, I am increasing the variac. So that you can clearly see I am increasing, and the simultaneously the speed of the motor is increasing. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. The speed is increasing. 1200, 1300, 1400. Okay. Motor is running. Okay. Slightly less than the synchronous speed. 1470. 1470 is the 1470. 1470. 1470. 1470. 1470. I am adjusting the speed on 1470, trying to adjust. Okay, the speed is near about 1470, below the speed of the synchronous machine, right? Yes. Till now we do not on the हम लोग electricity supply तो अभी तक on नहीं किए हैं. Is that clear till now? I think it is clear. Till now it is clear. Okay. Now what we can do? Now look at the ammeter and voltmeter reading. It is showing the 0 because we did not give the supply of that three-phase induction motor. Okay. Now what we can do? Switch on the AC supply of three-phase. हम लोग AC supply तो अभी on करेंगे. देखो अभी speed 1480 में है. Okay, is that okay? Okay, no problem, no issue. After that, we are just the power supply, three-phase power supply on the three-phase power supply. Apply the 20 to 30% of the rated voltage. Rated voltage कितना है? What is the rated voltage here? Please tell me what is the rated voltage? 415. तो 415 का 20% वोल्टेज हम लोग को अप्लाई करना है. 20%, 20 to 30% मतलब कितना होता है? What is the 20% to 30% of the 415 voltage? Hello?
135, sir.
Yes. 80 to
135.
80
80 to 120.
80 to 120. Exactly right. Whoever tell that, you are right. 80 to 120 वोल्ट. तो हम लोग को वोल्टेज क्या करना होगा? 80 to 120 वोल्ट के अंदर रखना होगा. कैसे रखेंगे? ये तो एसी वोल्टेज है. इसको हम लोग विद द हेल्प ऑफ ऑटो ट्रांसफार्मर के हेल्प से हम लोग वोल्टेज को रखेंगे. ठीक है. तो मैंने क्या कर रहा हूँ? अभी मैं ऑटो ट्रांसफार्मर को इंक्रीज कर रहा हूँ. ऑटो ट्रांसफार्मर इंक्रीज हो रहा है. देखो मैं ऑटो ट्रांसफार्मर को इंक्रीज कर रहा हूँ. साइमल्टेनियसली वोल्टेज विल इंक्रीज. वोल्टेज इंक्रीज कर रहा है और yes or no?
Yes,
Voltage
sir.
is increasing, right? Yeah. So voltage is increasing. Voltage is increasing. So our aim is to increase the voltage. Increase the voltage. I am increasing the voltage. Okay. Now you can clearly see how much voltage is there. Here you can clearly see the voltage is 80, but voltage is due to that I am already tell in the theory portion. When the coin it is cut d-axis and x-axis, okay, EMF is induced and it is in the not in the stable position, unstable position. The both are in the unstable position. The movement of the current is very visible, but also voltmeter, the indicator of the voltmeter is also moved, but it is moved very small portion. Okay, so now come to the please take your copy and pen and draw this table, experimental table. quickly draw the experimental table here. So first column is voltage, right? First column is voltage. Second column is maximum to minimum voltage. max to minimum, and third column is ammeter maximum to minimum, current maximum to minimum. Okay, so first what we can do, we can draw this table here now. So first we are setting the voltage 80, setting the voltage 80. The voltage, how much voltage is there? You are showing. What is the voltage? Is showing, the voltmeter is showing. How much voltage is
80,
showing?
80.
80. Please write it down. 80 voltage. Serial number 1, 80 voltage. And now we are taking current reading maximum to minimum. So please tell me, what is the current? What is the current? Here, please calculator nikalo. Here, in between 1 to 1.5, 10 division are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 division are there. So 0.5 divided by 10 कितना होता है? 0.5 divided by 10, how much?
0.05.
0.05.
कैलकुलेटर निकालो, मैं जो बोल रहा हूँ जल्दी से करो. So 0.05 1 division equal to, तो एमीटर कहां से कहां तक जा रहा है? देखो एमीटर सेकंड तक जा रहा है. सेकंड, ये जो सेकंड डिवीजन है, सेकंड आफ्टर द 1.5 indicator is going to the second division. So 1 division equal to how much? 0.05, right? 0.5 divided by 10, how much? 0.05. Hello?
Yes,
Hello?
sir.
So 0.05 into 2 कितना होगा?
0.1.
0.1, and 0.1 plus 1 maximum है 0.1. So 1.5 plus 0.1 कितना होता है? कैलकुलेशन नहीं करूंगा, तुम लोग करोगे. 1.6 क्यों हुआ मालूम है ना? 1.5 का आफ्टर में देखो 2 डिवीजन जा रहा है, तो 1 पॉइंट कितना हुआ? 1.5 प्लस 0.1 कितना हुआ?
1.6.
Hello? 1.6. So maximum current value is 1.6. 1.6. Okay, and minimum, what is the minimum value of the current? 1, 2, 3. 1 to 3 division तक जा रहा है. Before 1.5, it is an indicator is going to 3. No. 4 division. 3.5 division. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So 0. So calculation करो. 3 into 0.05. 3 into 0.05 कितना होता है? 1 division into 3. 3 into 0.05, how much?
So 0.15.
Okay, 0.15. So now, now 0.15, 1.5 minus 0.15, 1.5 minus 0.15 कितना होता है?
1.35.
1.35. Okay.
35.
Okay. So please, I am noting down. Note down the 1.35 minimum position of the ammeter. Have you understood this? Hello? Yes or
Yes,
no?
sir.
Okay. Now we are going to measure the voltage. Okay. Voltage is, so first bit in between, this is a 70. This big line is indicating the 70. So 70 to 80, 5 division are there. So 1 division equal to 2, right? 1 division equal to 2. If this is 70, then in between 70 to 80, 5 division are there. 1 division equal to 2. So it is going to 70. It is going to near about how much? 78 to 80, right? 78 to 80, right? Yes or no? Hello?
Yes, sir. 78, sir. Yes.
So the maximum value of the voltage is how much? 80. And the minimum is 78. So it is deflecting. Both ammeter and voltmeter are deflecting. I already tell it in the theory portion. Okay. So now if I increase the voltage, AC voltage. So what the change in the voltage ammeter? If I put it is in the 90, मैंने 90 में लेके गया, ठीक है? इस रीडिंग को हम लोग करके छोड़ देंगे, ठीक है? Voltage, how much voltage is there? 90, right? 90. Okay. Okay. Now the reading is perfect. Voltmeter also showing the deflection, and ammeter as usual showing the biggest range deflection. If the range of the deflection is greater, then the experiment is right. Okay. Now, what is the voltage? Voltage is 90. We are setting the voltage is 90. So experiment. So observation 2 is we are setting the AC voltage is in the 90 volt, and we just measure the maximum minimum current first. Okay. So let's come to the current portion. So please tell me, you can tell me what is the deflection of the current? What is the deflection of the current? I think it is 2, right? Yes or no? 2 to 1 point?
1.4 to 2.
Yes, exactly. Very good, very good. Okay. A very good result is showing. The deflection is very good. So 1 point, how much? 1.4, right? 1.4, 90, 1.4 to 1, how much? 2, right? Okay, and the please see the voltage. How much voltage? Voltage is moved between how much? Please tell me. It is the 90 here. It is the 90 here. The big big scale. So if it is 90, then I think 89 to 91. 89 to 91. Is that okay? Hello? 89 to 91 or 92. What is the deflection of the voltmeter voltage? Hello? 89 to?
Yes, sir. 89 to 91.
Okay, 89 to 91. So maximum is 91 and minimum is how much?
89.
So that is our observation table. That is our observation table. That is our observation table here. We observe that if we, what is the conclusion? If we adjust the voltage, what is the conclusion of the experiment?
Current.
Okay, I conclude the whole thing. Okay, what is the conclusion of the experiment? हाँ बोलो.
तो टेबल में करंट का सर एक्सचेंज हो गया सर. मैक्सिमम
Maximum will be 2. The minimum will be 1.
Okay, good. Right. 1.4. Now it is okay, I think.
Yes,
Yes
sir.
or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what is the it is the coupling DC motor. If we rotate the synchronous machine rotor below the speed of the rated speed, the rate of the rated speed का बढ़ गया है, मैं adjust कर देता हूँ. If we rotate the synchronous machine rotor below the rated speed, that is the rated below the speed of the rated speed, then we can see, and if we apply, so please listen to me very carefully. What is the conclusion of this total experiment? If we rotate the rotor with the help of DC motor, the below speed of the synchronous speed, that is below speed of the synchronous, And also, if we apply the supply 20 to 30% cheapest supply to the stator of the synchronous machine, then we can observe we can determine the direct axis VFX and the quadratic axis direction of the synchronous machine with the help of this. Okay, we show the deflection here. Okay. Okay. So till now, is there any doubt is there? Hello. This is our experimental reading here. Okay. So is there any doubt? Hello. Hello.
No, sir.
Hello. Okay.
Sir, your voice.
Okay. So okay. Okay, everyone. Thank you. Thank you for joining. 1 second. Okay. Thank you, everyone.
तो कॉपी में जो
We are.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello, sir.
Please बोलो क्या बोल रहे थे? Hello.
हाँ सर,
हाँ।
आपने बोला कि सर 20 to 30% वोल्टेज ले सकते हैं ऑटो ट्रांसफार्मर का। तो अगर सर
हाँ।
25% से ज्यादा वोल्टेज देंगे तो वो 100 के पार चला जाएगा, तो वो तो रीडिंग सर शो नहीं करेगा मीटर में, क्योंकि उसमें तो 100 रेटिंग तक ही दिया हुआ है।
हाँ, रेटिंग तक किया हुआ है, क्योंकि इस पर्टिकुलर एक्सपेरिमेंट के लिए अगर हम लोग 20 to 30% से ज्यादा हम लोग वोल्टेज अप्लाई करेंगे तो हम लोग को ये जो डिफ्लेक्शन है, ये शो नहीं करेगा, इसीलिए 100 तक दिया हुआ है। हाँ, कुछ ज्यादा दे सकता था, मगर इससे हम लोग डिफ्लेक्शन हम लोग को मिल जाएगा। हम लोग को एम क्या है, टू डिटरमाइन द डायरेक्ट एक्सजी एंड एक्सयू। तो इसी पर्टिकुलर 100 वोल्टेज के बिलो 100 वोल्टेज और टिल द 100 वोल्टेज we can determine the XG and XQ. So that reason it is not giving the max 200 or 300 scale voltmeter. Is that clear?
Yes,
Hello.
sir.
Any other question is there? So I think there are no doubt is there, because we already discussed the theory portion very carefully. Already discussed the theory portion. Then again we are discussing the circuit diagram. After that we are very slowly discussing the experimental panel. Everything we are explaining here, and we can clearly see the deflection of the meter and voltmeter here. So and the speed of the motor is also below the speed of the synchronous speed. So I think it is clear. Okay. So thank you everyone. Thank you. We upload this thing in the YouTube and giving the link to the Google Classroom. Yes, tell me.
सर जो
Hello?
कॉपी में सर फॉर्मूला था सर एक्स क्यू का, वो
हाँ.
सर करंट की जगह सर और वोल्टेज की जगह सर एक्सचेंज हो गया सर।
Okay. Maybe it is happen. Okay. Please rectify it. Okay. And मैं formula और एक बार तुम्हें दिखा देता हूँ user manual में. So it is the user manual. Is that formula is okay? XD equal
Yes,
to
sir.
maximum voltage by minimum current and XQ equal to minimum voltage to maximum current. Okay, maybe it is happened. Okay, no doubt. Okay, we also upload the manual. Okay. Is
Okay,
there
sir.
any doubt? Is there any doubt?
No,
Or
sir. No,
we
sir.
can end the session. Okay. Now, thank you everyone. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.